Oh, all of that. I wasn't recording.
Oh my goodness.
All right, so we'll do it again. So we are where?
We are in Nova Scotia, Halifax.
That's right.
This is our first port on our cruise.
Yeah.
And it is very cold. It is 32 degrees, 0 Celsius. And we are heading towards the Apple store. Somebody lost their AirPods in Canada. Oh, we're in Canada now, but
That was in New York.
We're looking to replace them.
Yeah. So right now we just have to walk a few steps to the bus station, bus stop, and we have I think a 35-minute ride. Shouldn't be too bad, but it's cold, so we're taking the bus. We're not walking today.
That's right.
Look, my nose is getting red.
It's a little tough for Floridians. We're not used to the cold. It gives us a greater appreciation for when we have good weather.
Yeah. This is not bad weather, it's just cold. All right, ciao for now. Another garden, Papa?
A public garden. For the public, that would be us.
That means it's free.
We're in here. We go here for water.
Something similar to this in Ocala, but they're not this cute. Oh my!
These are little flowers. I thought first they were berries.
They're so cute. Where are we going next? There's gotta be more.
Jump. Never do this. Impressive.